What does a sports store have to do with headphones production? Quick update on the challenge. So I have a challenge with Udo Schreutz, a professional videographer, to create a video. So he's the professional, I am the DIY guy. I do everything here in house by myself mostly. Still exploring different options. As you can see, it's rotating on a chair that I took from Anna. I also had another idea. What if I can make them, just fall from the sky down into some, I don't know, fluffy stuff. They're just like, of course, in slow motion. That would be, I think, cool as well. Any good video will require to have some props, things to hold the headphones, things to, I don't know, fly around, stuff like that. So I'm heading to the store, and I don't know what I'll get, but just trying to find something. I got back from the store. I got this chalk, which is basically a powder for climbers. I'm trying to do something a little bit silly. I hope this will work. Alright, so I came up with a plan. And basically I'm gonna drop the headphones. Well, first I'm gonna drop some chalk to create the atmosphere, then the headphones, and then we'll have a character to fix things, because when I was testing, the headphones fall down, well, nicely, but then they may not be in a perfect position. So there will be a character introduced that will fix them in a perfect position if they fall, well, falsely, badly. Well, meet the hand. The hand is gonna help me record this one. Hi, hand, how are you doing?
How's it going, man?
Yeah. So, bye, hand, see you later. I have to do this in one take, so it's either gonna work or it's gonna be a fail. I failed. It was a one-take shot and I failed it. The reason is that, well, the way I see it, the headphones just dive too deep into the chalk, and I did not, well, my friend, the hand, fucked it up as well. Didn't really take it all the way out of the screen when that should happen. So multiple errors, and yeah, this one is not gonna work. So Urosh, I guess we'll have to try the challenge with the previous video, which is just the spinning video.
You will be defeated!